A very good morning to respected correspondent, principal, teacher and my all dear friends. Today I am T. Sairaj from class 5th to deliver a speech on Kamarajar. Kumaraswamy Kamaraj, popularly known as Kamarajar, was an Indian freedom fighter and a police chief. He was born on 15th July 1903 in Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu. His parents were Kumaraswamy Nadar and Sivagami Ammar. Kamarajar's father died when he was 6 years old, so he dropped out of the school in 1914 to support his mother, taking care of the family. He took part in various freedom struggles such as non-cooperation movement, salt satyagraha, Quiet Indian movements. In 1954, Kamarajar elected as the